This video shows two illegal trespassers caught on camera on December 16th of 2022, tagging this building with some graffiti. Take a look at this weirdo attempting to open this stranger's front door, captured on a Ring doorbell camera.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
A video from Chicago, Illinois shows a random woman walking up this driveway at 4:53 in the morning without any explanation. This weird video shows a porch pirate swiping an item off this front porch and walking away with it. He then decides to look at the package for a few seconds before putting it back down, obviously not wanting it anymore after finding out what it was. This clip from Houston, Texas shows a creepy porch pirate in action in the middle of the night. In Newark, New Jersey, a Ring doorbell video captured a creepy intruder in this yard. This guy was caught in this video attempting to steal a Ring doorbell camera while pathetically trying to hide his face using a birthday card. Check out this creep with a machete late in the evening on November 11th of 2022. This video from Seattle, Washington shows a weird woman moving around and dancing in front of this homeowner's doorbell camera. She also tried to get inside the house, but was unsuccessful. A video from Kansas City, Missouri shows this guy trying to dig something up in this yard. This guy was caught on camera attempting to steal something from this house.
Hey, what are you doing back there? Hey! Hey! Hey!
In Newark, New Jersey, this creepy guy was caught on camera snooping around in the middle of the night. A guy was caught stealing some shovels from this front porch. Take a look at this scumbag stealing some trees off of this front porch in the middle of the night. In Glendale, California, a camera captured a weird man snooping around this backyard.
Excuse me? Leave.
Yeah, get the hell on.
This creepy guy was walking around this person's property for no apparent reason. This young man came up to this door and prior to ringing the doorbell, checked to see if the door handle was unlocked. This guy can be seen on camera running out of this yard. This porch pirate can be seen following the FedEx truck as it makes deliveries, hoping to steal packages much more efficiently. This guy with a skateboard is seen stealing some packages in the dead of night. This person in Staten Island, New York, was standing in this person's driveway for no reason. In San Diego, California, this person walks right up to this stranger's house and steals their bike and rides away without a care in the world. This video from Little Rock, Arkansas shows a poor dog wandering around this yard at night, probably lost. Look at this shirtless weirdo banging on this front door in the middle of the night.
I need the. Hello.
This hilarious video shows a porch pirate frequently dropping the parcel he's attempting to steal. Check out this creep looking at this catalytic converter before stealing it. This man was caught on doorbell camera late at night stealing a large bench off someone's porch. A video from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania shows a weird man wandering around this property. This woman approaches this doorbell in the middle of the night looking distressed.
Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. These thieves were caught on camera rummaging through this unlocked car. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.